Travel smart. Food on domestic flights.
Hello, fellow travelers. Today, we're going to talk about an important and often overlooked topic: food on domestic flights. We all know that long flights can be a bit tiring, and a tasty snack or meal can make all the difference. But are there any restrictions on what type of food you can bring on board? Let's find out.
What kind of food can you bring?
So, you're packing your carry-on and wondering what snacks or meals to bring with you. Good news! Most foods are allowed on domestic flights. Sandwiches, fruits, vegetables, packaged snacks, sweets, and even certain beverages are typically allowed. So, you don't have to leave your favorite munchies behind. However, there are some restrictions that you need to be aware of.
What are the restrictions?
The main restrictions are usually related to liquids and gels, due to security reasons. This implies that any food items that fall into these categories should be limited in your carry-on luggage. You're generally allowed to bring a quart-sized bag of liquids, aerosols, gels, creams, and pastes through the checkpoint. These are limited to 3.4 ounces, 100 milliliters, or less per item. This means that foods like yogurt, creamy cheese, soups, or even a jelly sandwich might be restricted if they exceed the stated volume. Also, remember that unpeeled fruits and vegetables might be subject to additional inspection.
How to pack your food.
How you pack your food is also very important. Food should be well packed to prevent spills and smells. Use leak-proof containers for any semi-solid foods, and try to avoid foods that have strong odors out of respect for your fellow passengers. Don't forget to pack some napkins or wipes for a clean snacking experience. So there you have it, folks. While most foods are allowed on domestic flights, it's essential to consider the type, quantity, and packaging of your food items to ensure a smooth travel experience. Pack smart, respect the rules, and enjoy your flight. Safe travels!